Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about verbs and how to use them in sentences. What is a verb? Turn and talk to your partner. Be sure to pause the video so you can have some thinking and discussing time. Now that you have had some time to think and discuss, who can tell us what a verb is? Yes, Brian, go ahead. A verb is a word that shows action. Yes, you are correct. A verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Great job, everyone. Let's move on. Let's look at a few more examples. A verb is an action word, so all these words on the board show action. For example, dive, swipe, write, twirl, scoot, run, crawl, bark, ride, dance, swim, jump, talk, slurp, tiptoe, read, drive, skip, and kick. Throw is a verb. Play is a verb. Eat is a verb. Painting is a verb. Now we will learn to use verbs in sentences. Number 1. Anthony is throwing the football. Throwing has been highlighted because it shows action. It is the verb. Number 2. She accepted the job offer. Accepted shows action. It is the verb. Number 3. The dog ran across the yard. Ran shows action. It is the verb in the sentence. She yelled when she hit her toe on the door. Yelled and hit have been highlighted. They show action and they're the verbs in the sentence. Will you help me with the laundry? Help is the action word in the sentence, so it has been highlighted because it is the verb. For your exit ticket today, you will highlight the verb in each sentence. Number 1, he rode his new bike around the block for hours. Number 2, we ate dinner, then walked around the park. Number 3, close the door. Number 4, did you fix the mistake in your homework? Number 5, the teacher reads a book to her students, then asks them questions about the story. Be sure to pause the video and fill out your exit ticket by highlighting the verb in each sentence. Let's go over the answers together. Number 1. He rode his new bike around the block for hours. Rode is highlighted because it is the action word in the sentence. It is the verb. Number 2. We ate dinner, then walked around the park. Ate and walked have been highlighted. Ate and walked are the verbs in the sentence because they show action. Close the door. Close is the action word in the sentence. It is the verb. It has been highlighted. Number 4. Did you fix the mistake in your homework? Fix is the action word in the sentence. It is the verb. Number 5. The teacher reads a book to her students, then asks them questions about the story. Reads and asks have been highlighted. They are the action words in this sentence, and these words are the verbs. In today's video, we learned about verbs and how to use them in sentences. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.